All right, welcome back to the channel. I'm Nicholas, and today I'm going to be working on my 61 Imperial's door handle back here. So when I first got the vehicle, about a year ago now, I was trying to get the rear door to open. I couldn't get it open. And the first time that I ever grabbed this handle, went snap, and the top of the door handle came right off. So, well, that's a problem. I can definitely fix it. I can probably weld it, but it would be a lot easier to find one intact. So that leads me to Nathan's MoPaR Garage, which I'll put a link down in the description. He posted a video probably 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, and he posted this video of him taking some parts off of a 1963 Imperial in the junkyard. And I was like, hey, I need the rear door handle, the rear passenger door handle. And he was generous enough to send it out. And I tried to send him money, but he wouldn't let me. So he's a really good guy. Please go check in the description or up in the card and go subscribe to him and watch some of his videos. He's got some really cool content over there. So again, thank you to Nathan's MoPaR Garage for sending out the handle. I really appreciate it. So for this video, I'm going to be swapping the door handles out. It should be a pretty straightforward process. I'd like to avoid taking this bottom section off simply because it is rotted down here. I'm trying to avoid damaging it as much as I possibly can. So we're going to see how it goes with just taking the upper stuff off, and then we'll get a little bit deeper into pulling this bottom panel off. But let's get started on that, and we'll see how she comes out. All right, so this turned out really easy, a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Because of the design of the handle and how you can split it, like so, it was easy to drop it down on top of the rod that controls the door. You split it open and just basically it's like a big mouth, clamps down on it. So I have a passenger rear door handle now, so that's awesome. Wasn't expecting to find one really anytime soon because these cars are pretty difficult to find. But again, a special thank you to Nathan's MoPaR Garage. You will be definitely getting some stuff whenever I start making merchandise and all that kind of stuff. So keep me in mind for that. But yeah, I mean, this is awesome. I'm just glad I have a door handle. It's a huge deal because everything else on this interior was here, but this broke as soon as I touched it. So thank you again for watching my video. Definitely go over to Nathan's MoPaR Garage and take a look at some of his videos. And I'll see you in the next video, and maybe we'll get a little bit closer to driving this little girl. So y'all have a blessed one, and I'll see you in the next video.